night meditation. I feel my body levitating. Strobe light stimulation.